Okay, here we have a 1920's Grasstracker. Got a 350 4-valve Rudge engine in it. So we shall let's fire this up, get this running.
The gentleman said he had it for his son at one stage on 250, and he sleeved down, and he's now put the piston back to 350.
350.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There we are. So it's at Andy Tiernans.
So we put some methanol in it. We're assuming it's running on methanol because it's a huge carburettor with 2 float chambers. So let's fire it up and see.
Yeah, it's on Castrol R, obviously.
Yeah, it's on R.
Sticky goo.
So
yeah, fuel on.
Fuel on. Same each side. Right. Select the gear.
He's got brakes. I think he's found some of them. There we are. It starts and runs and goes. The points cover's hanging down on its wire. That's for the cutout. That didn't deficit the test anyhow. There we are. A good machine.